How to remove a Snapchat shortcut. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can remove a Snapchat shortcut. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Snapchat application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, make a quick snap. Then tap on Send to button at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the plus icon at the top of this interface just below the search bar. And here select the shortcut that you want to delete or remove. After that, tap on the three dot icon at the top right. And if you navigate at the bottom of this interface, there is delete shortcut. Simply tap on it. And with that, the shortcut that you have selected will be removed or deleted. And that's how you can remove a Snapchat shortcut. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.